What's up, guys? I promised you all that I was going to come on here and do some styles once I got my wolf cut. I'm wanting to wash it out. It's been about a week since I've had this, so I'm ready for a change. But I wanted to come on here and just try curling it just a little bit to give me that Farrah Fawcett look. And I know a lot of you guys probably don't even know who she was. The layers going back and the curls going back, and it was oh so gorgeous. So we're going to try it out and just see what happens. This thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to throw some curls up here really quick.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all, focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away. Drifting away from me. But did the ocean breeze specify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself, on the run from yourself. Concrete will shape to quicksand. Just when you think you're in control, but you're not alone. Take my hand, no shame in the surrender to a bigger picture. Birds fly south for the winter, but you ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know you don't wanna burn bridges, but as time moves on, you slipping away from me. But did the ocean breeze pacify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself, on the run from yourself. You thought the grass was greener, but she was safe all along. Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all, focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away. Drifting away from me. But did the ocean breeze specify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself, on the run from yourself. Concrete will shape to quicksand. Just when you think you're in control, but you're not alone. Take my hand.
Okay guys, I never ever curl my hair. I never curl my hair unless I use the flat iron. So didn't put any hairspray on it or anything because I really don't want to damage it. But let's go ahead and take this down and see what happens. I let it cool for a little bit, not too much. But yeah, let's go ahead and give it a flip. Ooh, big hair don't care. Big hair don't care. Yeah, the bangs were more like, her bangs was more like down the middle and going back like that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at the body. Body. Oh my goodness. Let me just take this comb a little bit and just see if that will help. This is definitely the big hair look from back in the day. Definitely the big hair look. But you know, that's why they call it a wolf cut, because you have these, like, you know how wolves have this little part from their face is coming out like that? That's what it is. So usually it's a little more pointed, you know, something like that. Something like that. I definitely wanted to give it a try because, you know, the styles change so much. Everybody, you know, I don't know, they seem to go around. Things from way back in the day, they come back. The slim suits, you know, that the men wearing now, they used to wear them back, I think in the 60s or 70s. I'm not really sure. But I know that those styles, they go around and they come back. So everything that has happened, it's already been around before. You know, it's already been around. But I can't get this part right. But yeah, I'm going to just leave it right there. But it's something like this. Something like that. That's it. Tell me what you guys think about it. Tell me what you think. It's different. It's definitely different. I think she had more of like a flip in the front. Hers had more like a flip. It was something like this. Let me see. I probably need a smaller curling iron. Let me just see if I can curl it a little bit tighter. Let's just see what happens. It's not going to stay because it's too long. It's something like that, guys. That's as close as I can get. That's about as close as I'm going to be able to get. Let's see if we can get this to flip a little bit more. You know, you have to spray, hairspray and all of that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that, but I just wanted to play with it a little bit. Like I said, I hardly ever curl my hair. Now I usually just wear it totally straight. Or I'll do curly, my natural look. I wear it just natural or straight. I hardly ever put curls in it. Sometimes I'll do one curls. I haven't done that probably in a year or two, to be honest. But I'm thinking about doing some more again. Well, that's it, you guys. That's my styling of my wolf cut. This is what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me down below what you think about my style and my curls. Let me know. And what other ideas you guys have that you want to see me try with the wolf cut. I know you could probably, yeah. If I curled it tighter, it would look different. If I had a smaller curling one, but this, I just have the big barrel because that's all I usually use. But yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about my 70s or 80s hair, whichever one it is. You guys take care. Hopefully, I'll see you in my next video.